What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So big dump for the alts due to the tariffs coming from Mr. Trump. So we'll go over the chart. Obviously things have changed. We're sitting at 0.021. We're down almost 11% on the day. Seeing market cap 1.04 billion. 24 volume is 116 million. So if I pop into the chart, so we had the wave one up off the bear market low. Now we've come all the way down. We've broken the 78.6, which increases a bearish scenario of creating a new bear market low unless we can push up and get back above the 78.6. Then you're just looking at a deep two because a wave two can retrace up to 99% of wave one. But it's not a good sign for the bulls that the 78.6% was broken. So if we were to continue to just bleed, then of course you create a new bear market low. Gala back under 1 cent would be absolutely insane before pushing back to the upside. If I zoom out a little bit for you guys, so what we were originally looking at off the bear market low is wave one to the upside, wave two pullback. But if that bear market low breaks, then the whole entire correction during the bear market is just continuing. It's not over. And this was just a three-wave corrective move. It does look like three waves, so that it is possible. And then you create a new bear market low before bouncing back to the upside. Anything's possible, guys. We did break the 78.6. But if buying pressure steps in, and this is just similar to the Corona dump, where it's a swift sell-off and quick rebound, and we get back above the 78.6, then you can look at that as a wave one to the upside, wave two pullback, push up 3, 4, 5. But as of right now, the 78.6% is broken, so remain cautious until we get back above it, because of course more bleeding could come, which could lead to a new bear market low, which would just be insane for our friend Gala. But that's the way it is. All the alts are suffering, as you can see. Sometimes news will affect the markets, and yeah, Trump basically causing trade wars at the moment is causing a dump in the stock market and the crypto market. So we have to take it day by day. That's what we're looking at for Gala. If you want completely free access to my trading group, which includes my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, my forex signals, you can see what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits. All you have to do is take 30 seconds of your time. Sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. Once you sign up, take the 30 seconds. That's all you got to do. Send me an email. I'll give you completely free access to my daily crypto analysis. You can see what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits. Yours for free. Almost 3,000 members in the group. Just take that 30-second sign up. Send me an email. That's all you got to do. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.